here we go. Welcome back again
Shit,
to
are we
another
recording?
Street Fighters Road to Gold.
Super Drunk Fighters Road to Gold, starring Johnny, Brian, and Vic.
My eyes are hot.
Yours?
Yeah.
It's because we've been drinking. And now we're trying to slowly sober up after all those barrages. And then you shook your fucking moneymaker like it was no one's business.
There was Prince playing and I fucking...
Vic, so check out our medias in case you haven't seen that. It's great. It's on there.
I miss Prince.
Picture of strength. I'm shaking.
Fingerprints. I don't think I will. Oh shit, here we go. Okay. Holy shit, they're really sticking to that, huh? Wow, okay. We'll fucking give that 2-0 Will. Wow. Thank you, Johnny. We got Johnny here too, so, again, friends.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, nice!
Oh, that's not my anti-air!
Ooh, that was a good.
That's not my move.
That's not my move. That's not my move. They call me fuck face. They call me shit bag. They call me fuck nozzle. They call me ice cream. That's not my name. I like how everything but the last one was not okay.
You're welcome. This is the grade A content we like to push out on this show.
Can we talk about how I don't know how the fuck to fight against this guy?
Can we talk about shit pushing? Because that's what's happening in this fight. Yeah, actually, I'm not too familiar with this character, to be honest with you.
He does 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, fucking religiously, apparently. Oh, but you stunned him! Oh, here we go! Ooh, nice. Come on, come on, come on. He had to wake up. He had to wake up after day. Oh no, what does that do?
Oh, that's his combo into his super, apparently.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now that I kind of got it how to play against him, let's see if I can beat him.
Let's see if you get the salty run back.
Yeah. Cause I fucking have no idea who this guy is. I know his name is Ed. He likes to fuck. And he likes to drug.
That's as far as I got on, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
So, I mean, fucking see if you get the salty run back.
Yeah, come on, Piglet.
There we go.
Come on, little Piglet.
Yeah, we got it. Let's
Little
do this.
Piglet.
Fight.
Alright, taking a swig of water on that one. So trying to get my shit together here.
He stunned me.
Oh my god. So is it safe to assume Ed's trying to be deadly?
Yeah, dude, for real. Oh, he went for the grab. Okay.
Oh,
That's a fake!
yeah.
That's a fake!
Yeah.
Shit, man.
Yeah.
Damn. I mean, I wouldn't even be mad at that.
Dude,
That was.
I can't be.
Yeah.
I can't be mad when I'm.
That was good. Now you slap him. He ain't letting up. Well, he's another aggro character.
Yeah.
Which I guess that makes sense with the moves that he has. Yep. There's that combo again. Nice.
What the fuck? I can't even take those, dude.
Wow.
That's so dumb.
Yeah.
He can just mash it out. How do you do if that move is just like a Street Fighter Honda move?
Yeah.
Then I'm fucked. Because that means that guy was mashing this out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you right.
man. Alright, I don't want to play Fong anymore.
Ooh,
Oh?
switching it up.
Well, yeah, dude, I can't play Fong. I can't play a charge character if everybody's just gonna ape on me. Like, that's not gonna happen.
You gonna switch
I mean,
to...
that ain't everybody. Zeku?
Ah, this guy.
Allow me a moment to entertain.
We're gonna do this. This is my secret character, and I don't remember at all how to play him.
He's so secret, I don't even know how to play him.
He's so secret. I just know that he has a switch stance.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's right.
Mhm.
Wait, who's Zeku's story? Is he's what Guy's
Teacher?
mentor?
Yeah.
Right.
He was
Guy does that too, right?
Yeah.
He's got that.
Shinryu.
There you go.
Yeah. He transforms into young him.
Right.
Yeah. And he looks an awful lot like Strider.
Well, yeah. Definitely. I mean, it's almost like Capcom has other entities that resemble the character.
Yeah.
Fucking A, right?
Is it Max Cage again? Yeah.
Is it?
Mac Cage.
Well, what-
Yeah.
Wow.
That means there's
Mr.
3
Cage.
people online.
We've already come full circle.
Yeah.
Welcome to the full circle fighters.
Yeah.
And there's nothing sexual about it.
If you think you can keep up.
But didn't you whoop this guy at
Kung
Fong?
Fu.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
He's gonna whoop my ass with Chun Li.
Mm-hmm.
Fight!
You gotta change your stance.
Kikoken. Kikoken.
What are you doing?
Strike!
Wow.
Yeah, without a call!
Yeah.
Strike! See! See! Get it!
Yes. There you go. Yep.
Now, as I understand it, you kind of really want to be young, right?
So we don't know, because old him actually has an anti-air.
Ah.
Damn it. Oh! I fucked up the anti-air. Did you see
I
that?
did.
Yep. I think we all said that.
How do you do it? Tell me! Because I have to do it preemptively for him to do it. But I can't do it too preemptively,
There.
but I still get hit.
Nice. Ooh, nice.
Let's go! Let's go!
Take this! Kikoken!
Certainly has way more answers for this character than Fong. Yep. That pressure. Ooh, that's nice. You have to wake up.
Ready to lose? Kikoto!
Oh, shit. Oh!
Don't get antsy. There we go.
Ooh, that actually works! Okay, so his punch is the backwards noggin head kick, or punch, elbow. His kick is the flash kick.
There you go.
Get ready! Kikoken! Kikoken!
Ooh, nice.
I just wanted to see the anime super.
There you go. That was nice. That was really nice. I think with Zeku, you just gotta keep that pressure on. And watch out for wake up.
Isn't that every character?
Not necessarily. Like Fong, you were better spacing out and keeping the pressure. But I think Zeku, you don't have that privilege. You know what I mean?
Let's go! Let's go! Go to sleep!
There you go.
Nice.
I had to get him all nice and prepped so that like he didn't think I was gonna do anything crazy.
Yeah, well, because I was about to mention, like, you think you were giving them too much respect, so they were gonna get comfortable and probably do something to fuck you up.
Yeah.
That's what, like, with Zeku, you want to keep that pressure on to be like, you don't want to give them that opportunity.
Yeah.
You want to kind of keep them. That's like his zoning, I
You
feel.
did it.
He went back to the rank up game.
Damn.
Come on, Mr. Cade. Oh, sorry, Mike Cade.
McCabe.
Okay.
Keep talking.
Wow. Okay. I'll take that.
Let's go.
Nice. Okay.
Keep talking.
Nice. Ooh, that was good.
Let's go. Let's go. See?
It's actually a good fake out.
Let's go.
Keep talking.
Ooh, that was too far.
Good shit. See what I mean? Like doing shit like that, because he keeps trying to back up.
You need to
They try and zone you a little bit, but
Yeah.
I mean, just don't give him that respect, and there's not much he's gonna be able to do except the wake up that you can anticipate.
Damn it! I missed it.
It's like McKay just heard everything I said and was like, "Fuck you, Ryan."
Oh,
Yep. And there that is. But we knew that. Ooh. Ooh, that was good. And I love
watch
it.
out for them. Wake
Yeah.
up.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Oh, damn! Can't even get mad at that.
I didn't even know you could fall that shit.
I know, right?
We won't lose.
Oh, McCade. Oh, McCade. Oh, McCade. Oh, you were so close, McCade. Damn.
I did a run fake into an elbow, and I was like, this isn't gonna work.
It worked.
And then it worked!
That's why I was like, oh no, McCade. You were so fucking close on that one. It was almost redeemable.
Yes.
Respect, though. Like,
Mad respect. MC Cade, you've been my best fighter so far. One, because you always do the fucking dirty run back, salty run back.
they got the salty run backs. And
First
they're,
time.
they're, yeah, that's true.
But
Oh,
he's consistent.
that's true, yeah.
It's not like the other guy who just lost and left. And it's not like the other guy who whooped my ass twice.
I mean, at least they still played to the end, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And they were pretty consistent with the wake ups. And oh no!
Fuck.
Oh no! Prepare for command grabs!
It's a red cyclone, baby.
You are about to be fucked by the red cyclone.
I want it.
I wish you the best of luck.
I want it.
100 ranked match.
Oh no, he's got the iron muscle. You're fucked.
Mm-hmm. Shit.
Remember to buy me a sport tracket.
I don't want to. I don't want to, Zangief. Get out of here,
Remember
Zangief.
to buy me a sport pants.
No, Zangief. We don't want that.
No, you must support.
Fuck
You will get some
fuck you,
red
Zangief.
cyclone and sport track
How
pants.
dare you?
How dare you for not
You've never
supporting.
worn that many clothes.
If you can handle me at my speedo, you can't handle me at this.
Party if you think you can keep up.
That's party.
Round one. Fight.
Oh no, I already feel the intimidation. Ooh, okay. Oh,
baby.
so it begins! Nice. Nice. Ooh, good. Oh, he whipped it! Good. Ooh. Those hurt.
Much
too.
damage.
Yeah, man, he got that muscle.
But I got an anti-air.
Nice!
And he does not have a cross-up air.
No, he doesn't.
Way to turn
The scary thing about him is if he gets those grabs on you,
I know.
they hurt. Gotta watch the fuck out for him, man. That's why he's facing just a bit. Good shit.
Oh, okay. That's 60% of my life.
Yep.
Oh no, they nerfed it.
Really? Yeah, I thought that was a lot more before. I mean, if they took that away from Zangief, what's even the point? Oh, got him!
You wanna do me like that, homie? Fuck no.
Good shit. It's still close though. You're still like one command. There you go.
No, that was easy.
Bam.
His second B trigger is an anti-air. So
Gotcha.
if he jumps,
That's it.
that's it. Yeah.
Got you.
Easy. Old man mode. New man mode. Don't matter. We get those.
That was good shit. Stormbringer 793.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's
that they want
the
to take the run back.
bang, dude. Oh, let's go.
Ooh, they want it.
Yeah, he's gonna go super aggressive now.
Ooh, yeah. They're definitely a little more handsy now. They're going for a little more jabs and grabs. Fine. I didn't see that any of those.
Oh!
Ah, okay. Fucking digging into your arsenal now, huh?
Oh, I used the wrong button.
Don't jump, zombie. Got some anti-airs.
Fuck, no, I want to get him into it. I want to get him into jumping.
That's good.
Yeah, he's pretty good. I forgot I had it too, because I have to do this.
Stretch, Ryan. Oh. Good shit.
Oh, stun him. Oh, stunner.
Damn! Good.
Oh, what?
Oh.
That was a
Man,
super
man.
though.
That was good. That was really fucking good.
Then I don't have to use my super, yay.
Right?
Pay attention. Final round. Fight.
Alright. Incredible.
Okay.
Double lariat, you way out of this time.
They like now they're just kind of like
I was mashing out my super.
oh, that was a good follow up. Damn,
Yeah!
that was good.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
Like
I'm getting it back.
the first run back with like on the run back match I made, Zangief seemed like to be trying new things to be like, oh well, this is gonna fucking work, and it kind of did.
Yeah.
And then and that third bout, it was like, you know, you kind of were trying and it just wasn't working.
Yeah. Oh, man, I feel so
Like,
good.
Zangief is an intimidating character if you know how to use Zangief right.
Mhm.
Like,
I mean, that's
super
anybody, though.
intimidating.
Yeah.
But like to a different extent, because if Zangief can keep landing those command grabs after like a certain jab combo with a command grab, that's a lot of fucking health you're losing.
Yeah.
That's what's intimidating about
At
it.
least he's not fucking Abigail, dude.
Oh, wait,
Abigail is
they're like, you're right. Everyone's intimidating their own way, but Zangief is like, he just has to do like jab, grab. A lot of your health is gone. Like, it don't take much effort for Zangief to get you down. That's what's intimidating. And if they're good, that's what's like. I'm like, oh, that's why we're seeing Zangief. I'm like, how good of a Zangief player are you?
Yeah. It just sucks that he doesn't have his green fist thing.
Yeah, anymore. That was like his anti-air, right? Or his anti-projectile.
Yeah.
That was anti-projectile, not anti-air. And that's what was good about it before, but now they don't have it. I think they incorporated the iron muscle to kind of tolerate it.
Yeah, just to mitigate it a little
Well,
bit.
his double lariat goes, projectiles go through him.
Yeah. And
But,
even
but
my
his green fucking fist from 4 was legit like, no.
Nope.
yeah, and he moved
Stop.
forward, which is exactly what you wanted.
That's what you want. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm like, so they took that from him in this one, so it's like, well, this is kind of, I don't know. They gave him something, they took away something, but I'm like, I don't know. I feel like you hurt him more than did better.
Yeah.
But here we go. Here's a fucking
Keep up.
Hot with you. That's how I know this
Hot
guy's
with
good.
you.
Yeah.
Fight.
Ooh.
Oh, the thunder gloves.
Yep.
That's super effective in the water if you just
think
like
so.
punch down.
Don't tell Ryu that. No one tell him.
Oh, he went for it.
Yeah,
I should have known. I should have known. That's me.
That
That's on
was.
me. That's on me.
nice.
That's on me. That's on me.
It was a very difficult fight.
Shut up.
Now watch and learn.
Oh, that stuff grabs too.
Oh,
Wow.
scary.
I didn't know that. That's pretty interesting. Ryu's a little scary.
That's
What the fuck though?
pretty dope.
Yeah.
I thought you said Ryu sucks.
I thought he did.
Well, because he's like the most balanced character, right?
I don't know. I think
Like
so.
he's the one that you can get into this and you're gonna have like the most balanced experience. But I'm guessing we're what, 5 seasons into this game, so maybe they fucking buffed him in some spots.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Fight.
I mean, I've been out of this for like maybe 2 seasons. Yeah.
I feel like you could beat him if you gave him time.
Yeah, me too.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. So frustrating.
Of course, that's considering if you were able to actually pull off the super.
Dude, I can't.
Somebody give me a fight stick.
He's waiting on you, bro. I wouldn't take the bait. Good shit. Good shit. Oh,
How did that not connect?
wow. Ryu, like, fucking talks a little different or some shit.
I don't think so.
Oh shit.
Hear my roar.
Ooh.
Damn, that's a lot of damage.
Good shit. Good shit. Wow. Oh.
How did I? God, dude.
Wow.
I was trying to counter super that, and it didn't work.
Did not work.
Ah, dude, that's so
Jeez.
dumb. If I had a fight stick, it'd be different.
Going back to that.
If I had a fight stick, it'd be different. Like, I don't even care that I wasn't playing Fong. Like, if I had a fight stick, it'd be fucking different.
I feel like you're a character from The Wizard of Oz. You had the Scarecrow, Tin Man, the Lion, and then
And
you
the
need
Street
a
Fighter.
fight stick.
I only had a fight.
Look, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. And it's gonna be great.
A few moments later.
Well.
Fancy meeting you here, Ryu. Same guy.
I hope so.
What's his name? I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
That's something weird.
They're all weird, John.
Oh yeah, it's him.
That's the
Oh,
guy.
yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get a league up on me.
He's gonna get a league up. Don't give him the league up, Vic.
Dude, if I had a fight stick,
Fong the shit out of him.
if I had a fight stick.
But you have a Fong, so Fong the shit out of him.
Yeah, I have a fong stick.
2 minutes. I'll finish you in 2 minutes. This is the path of my destiny. Round 1.
Oh shit.
Fight.
Throw him the shit out of him.
You're not doing it.
He's a little smarter than that, I guess. Shit. Oh, good shit. Ooh, nice.
Oh, make it go!
Good shit.
And you could win if you had fun.
Careful, he's probably gonna
Yeah.
hit all that shit right
Yeah.
now. Wow! Wow! Straight up, huh?
You fool!
Wow! Holy shit, you might have him a little tilted right now. Good shit. Wow! That was pretty good. Gotta wake up.
Maybe we should put a little makeup.
But the kids on table.
Oh!
Oh! Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh, he ain't gonna give it to you. Wow!
I'm like, I'm not gonna attack him. That's stupid.
You win.
Never again.
Holy shit. I bet he wants salty run back.
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah.
You blocked the opponent's run up.
How about you without the point then? Yeah.
Well, he's
Come on, Presto.
He's super salty right
Presto on
now.
the Presto.
This run back is super salty.
Yeah, look,
Brought
look
to you
at
by
this, look
more
at
than
this.
salt. And the tears of orphans. No?
Yeah, look.
I'll be over here. Shit. Ooh. Yeah, that was a good punch. Well, could have been better. But that was still like a stop that.
Got him.
Ooh. Nice. It's beautiful. That's so beautiful.
Oh, this.
Oh my god, that was so beautiful. I have to stop that. I was like good zoning right there, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
I'm not even scared of this dude. Look at this.
He definitely went more defensive than offensive. Because I don't even think he 100% knows what's going on. I think he's anticipating it just a smidge closer.
Oh!
Oh
The point
no! Oh no! Wow! Okay.
What do you think?
He's still got them combos though. Watch out. Don't get too
You got him.
Oh,
There-
well. Yeah, there we go.
Oh!
Get fucking Shrek, dude.
So that was really good though.
That, Did you intentionally whip that hit?
No.
Because he did like the counter thing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You blocked the opponent's rank up.
That's right.
Suck it.
Baby. Get out of here. And that's 30 minutes.
That's a good place to end.
That was
And then,
good. Good. The redemption arc was right there.
I know. Man. If anybody out there wants to challenge this, then please send me a fight stick. We are located.
We're looking at.
We need to get a P.O. box.
Jesus Christ! I don't think we're that famous having PO box yet. Let's get up there first.
Oh man, thank you so much for joining the Street Fighters sweating it
drunk
out.
fighters.
Sweating the alcohol out edition.
Fucking, yeah, we sweated it out and drinking a lot of water at this point.
Yeah.
But
Man, this is mad hype. Mad scholar. Fucking mad scholar. Mad scholar.
peeking the fuck out of them.
Yeah, alright, we need to end.
All right, tune in next time, folks.
Bye.
Bye bye.